Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 high-power car polisher. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Car Beauty Polishing Machine. Specifications. Brand name, ZJMZYM. Model number, TK0348. Rated input power, 1680 watts. Speed stall, 6. Speed range, 600-3500 R/min. Applicable wheel diameter range, 180 mm. Origin, mainland China. Supply voltage, 220 volts. Item number 4 is Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, SPTA. Speed range, 2000 to 4500. Wheel diameter range, 5 inches. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Mini Detailing Polishing Machine. Specifications. Brand name, SPTA. Rated input power, 780 watts. Speed stall, 6. Speed range, 1000-5000 R/min. Wheel diameter range, 30 mm, 50 mm, 80 mm. Polisher, rotary polisher. Backing pad size, 32 to 100 mm. No load speed, 1000 to 5500 RPM. Input power, 780 watts. Function, car waxing, polishing, and fast finishing. Warranty, 12 months. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Rated frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Polishing pad size, 40 to 125 mm. Weight, 1.7 kilograms. Item number 2 is Ottawa's Car Polishing Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Ottawa's. Rated input power, 920 watts. Speed stall, 6. Speed range, 2800-5800 RPM. Wheel diameter range, 5-inch. Orbital, 9.5 mm. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Bare weight, 2.7 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Batoka S4 Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, Batoka. Speed stall, 4. Speed range, 2000 to 5500 RPM. Applicable wheel diameter range, 30 mm, 75 mm. Random orbital, 0, 3, 12 mm. Backing plate, 30 mm, 75 mm. Battery capacity, 2.5 Ah. Bare weight, 1.3 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.